saved in our local file. Okay, by saving this document, the report automatically comes here, as well as the same thing also shows you in the document section. The report only comes in the report section. The reports are specific for the case, so it only shows here in the report section. So we can download and take a printout of the report. Also, we can download the copy and store it in a pen drive or in a CD to be submitted at the court as well. So this is the entire cycle for the experts who used to maintain different cases with a lot of documents, lot of team members and parties and meetings for a particular case. Similarly, for after submission of all the reports and everything, the user can also generate the bill which they used to submit at the case at the court for the payment. So for generating the bill, the system allows the user to generate partial and full bill tax and discounts. So here we'll see how we can generate a bill within the system. To generate a new bill, click on the add bill. Select the case number. It will automatically show you the details of it and how much amount needs to be generated out of this particular case. So we can select, and if it is a partial bill, we can edit the line amount as per our requirement. We can put in our description. If tax needs to be imposed, then we can put in the tax percentage, and automatically if you require to discount, if your discount needs to be given, so you can give discount in percentage as well. So, and then we can have some bill notes. We can generate the bill. By saving this particular screen. Bill date has to be there, and save it. Once you save it, the system will allow you to print the bill, download the bill, or forward the bill on somebody's mail ID. So this is how we can generate the bill. And when we have generated now a partial bill, so when we come at the next time to generate another bill for this particular case, so we can see already paid amount is 20 and 30,000 is still pending. So we can regenerate another bill of 30,000, or partial bill also can be generated within the system. So this is how we can maintain our case and also generate the bills against a particular case. We have got couple of reports here to refer. The first one, it will give you the details of the case. So I'll put the case number here automatically, that will be populated. I can search. The details of the case will be reflecting here. Here we can have a printout of these particular details. Apart from that, we can have a manpower log where we can see the workload of individuals within your organization. Here I'm selecting a person. I can see how many cases this person is handling and what is the status for it, how much revenue has been generated, what is the pending revenue can be generated, is yet to be generated from this particular person. I can take a printout of this particular report for future reference. Similarly, we have got an overall report which will give you details of the case and the manpower which we are working within the organization. So here you can see all the case with their status, the case fees, how much you have received, what is the pending amount against that case. Every details is there in front of you. If I like to see the details of that particular case, I can double click on that particular row, go to detailed view where you can see the details of the case at the top. Then who are the people working for this particular case, who are the parties involved in, this is the party 1, this is the party 2, involved in this particular case, who are their lawyers and the details of the lawyers, how many meetings I have conducted, what is the status of those meetings also I can see here, how many reports I have generated against this case. So all the details related to case you can get in a single page, and you can export the same thing to the Excel, as well as you can have the printout of the same report. And ultimately we have got the party wise bill. We have got different parties, so how much the bill we have generated against each party also I can have a details of that here, and double click on that, how many bills I have generated against that party also I can see here directly in the screen. So this is all about the legal firm management. Also we have got a consultation management which is related to the lawyers and advocates. It is almost similar, but here are certain things are very different. Like they don't used to, the advocates and lawyers don't used to get any work orders from the judicial department portal, so they don't have to fill in all the details for those work orders. But yes, regarding the client and the details of the case, they can register within the system. Similarly, they can upload all the documents here. They can have who are the manpowers or the team working for this particular case. Then how many meetings or scheduling meetings and managing meetings also, the similar as we have seen earlier. They can generate the report, but yes, as because they don't used to submit the reports directly to the court, so though they are not using any kind of pre-formatted reports, rather they can prepare their report and upload to the system for their future reference. Here this is an additional information, as because there are some persons who refers the case or the parties to their organization, so they can keep who has referred the case to them, and also if they are supposed to pay any percentage of the total amount they are going to generate against this case, so they can put the percentage of the amount here in this particular screen. So this is related to consultation management. We have another area of operation which is also required for different legal entities, because they are also used to be financial advisors and the audit firms. So they used to audit financial audits in different organizations. So all those audit related information also they can keep within this system. So for keeping audit informations, they will have the information related to that company, the meetings, reports, everything they can upload here to the system. It is also the process is quite similar like that, but here yes, who is the client, for which year they are going to audit, they can mention it here, when they are supposed to complete this audit, what is the audit fee they are going to get. All this information they can store here in the initial stage. Then the documents related to the audit can be uploaded directly to the system. Then similarly they can inform the team who is going to work out this audit for that particular client. The meeting schedules and managing the schedules also can be similarly done here for all the audit activities, and they can upload all related reports to particular to this audit auditing organization to this particular area. So it is almost the features are similar as we have discussed earlier, and also similarly they can also generate the bills. This is the area where the advocates can generate their bills, and for the audit firms, they can generate the bills from this. And the facility of generating the bills, or the features of this generating the bills, is similar as we have seen earlier. And there are certain reports also for the lawyers and audit